Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean hardshell luggage, specifically my Away bigger carry-on. I've been traveling with this for 5 years now, and over those years I have cleaned it, but it's only been a quick wipe down with an antibacterial wipe. So it's never had a proper clean, which means it's high time we gave it one. I've got my magic eraser. I've got a bowl full of warm soapy water, so let's get started. We'll see how clean we can get this. Okay, so here we go. We've got our magic eraser, we've got our nice damp magic eraser now, and let's have at it. Let's see. Okay, it's definitely picking up some dirt. I also do want to mention before I show you how much dirt it's picking up that on this last trip I did not use the disinfecting wipe just because I wanted to see how much the magic eraser is going to pick up, and spoiler alert, it's already picking up a ton. So we're just gonna rinse it already and just keep going to town. Okay. I've got to say, so far I'm impressed. Don't worry, I'm not gonna make you watch me clean this whole thing because that would just be crazy. Okay, I'm just kind of using a nice circular motion. Maybe you can do it a different way if you want, but I feel like the circular motions are kind of getting in there really nicely. I gotta say, this is actually really kind of fun and weirdly satisfying seeing how much dirt's coming off of this. It's going pretty well. I don't know if it's gonna get this stuff off though. This might just be permanent. Yeah, that's not looking too good. I don't know. I think the big marks might just be on it for life, but we'll see. We're not done yet. We'll do it another once over once we kind of get this first bit. It is picking up some of the smaller bits, but like this big one and that big one, I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, some of this I think is unfortunately just going to be permanently stained, which is annoying. But I should probably mention as well, this is a carry-on. However, in Europe, it's too big to be a carry-on, so this bag has been checked a lot over the years, which is part of the reason why there are so many crazy, huge black marks on it. Because of course, when you check your luggage, we all know the airlines never handle it nicely. In fact, British Airways ruined part of this bag, but that's a separate story. We're just here to focus on the cleaning right now, which overall is going well, but I feel like could be going better with some of these big marks. We'll see. They're slowly coming out. I might need a second magic eraser at this rate though. It's kind of disintegrating. I don't know. I don't know if that's normal. I've never used one before, but let's see. And then you just want to make sure as you're doing this to just keep wringing it out so you're not spreading that dirt around. It's definitely improved, but I just don't know about these marks. I'm not feeling overly confident they're coming out. They don't even really seem like they're lightening up much if we're being honest. Okay, we've got the first layer of dirt off. We might have to work harder at some of these really ingrained bits. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe or leave me a comment in the comments below. Also, please leave a comment if you have any idea how to get these really dark marks out that the magic eraser could not get. I would be forever grateful. And with that, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!